pesticide pollution, marriage as an institution, corsets or high heels, slipping on a banana peel. Can you tell me where the woman ran? The internationalist person.